Okay guys, I got a big ticket payment that just came in, and in this video we're going to talk about a system that you can make anywhere from 1,500 to 7,500 plus per week the simple way. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here, guys. I am super excited to bring you a quick proof video of what just came in, and we're super excited about it. But before we get started, guys, go ahead and like the video. Make sure we hit the like button. It helps with the ranking of the video. And when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Guys, I'm super excited about this video here. We're going to show you how that you potentially can make anywhere from 15 to 7K plus per week the simple way. We're going to show you actionable things that you can put in place. We got a system, folks, that flat out converts. We're getting jaw-dropping results. If you're watching this video, we're at the beginning of something so big. We're getting ready for stimulus checks, tax time. Guys, this thing will run, I mean, razor hot all the way through July, maybe beyond. Pause a little bit for a 2 or 3 week window vacation in July, and we're back off to the races in August, guys, for back to school. This thing's on a tear, guys, and I believe it will be on for the next few years. This thing is banking commissions, guys. I have posted the last few days video after video of $1,500 proof. There's another $1,500 proof. There's $500 proof. There's another proof video there. There's proof videos all over, guys. And it's just amazing to see what has happened in the last few days. And I'm nothing special. Anybody can do it. We're going to show you some actionable steps that you can take to get into this program and get the results that we're getting. Let me show you what came in, guys. This is, it was supposed to come in, scheduled to come in on the 9th. Here is the tracking number. Let me see if you can see the tracking number. Pause the video. There is a tracking number. I covered up the person's information, folks. And he sent that to TNCL Marketing, to my company there, guys. And I'm getting ready to open this thing up. Let's open it up live on the camera. All right. Let's rip into it. There's a note. Thank you, Timothy. Somebody sent me a note. And let's see what's on the inside of it. We've got a gifted statement on the inside. And we've got something inside here. Got this here. Let's open it up and see what's inside of it. And this is what we got. That's what we got, friends. Let's count this out for the camera. That's what just came in. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's $1,500, guys. Another $1,500 sale. Pretty exciting. Great things are happening, and we're nothing special. You can do the same thing. So that's $1,500 just came in one single day, one sign up, guys. And that's about the third one, well, the fourth one in about 6 days. The sky's the limit with this program. I'm going to show you how we're doing it. Guys, I can be able to, if you partner with me, I can show you how to close sales. I can close sales for you for, the first few weeks or the first few months until you feel like doing it. There's nothing to it, guys. It is just 1, 2, 3 simple. 1, 2, 3 simple. You get it set up, you run traffic, and you send people to a website, period. You'll get a 1-800 number. When they call that number, they'll tell you what, they'll leave a message, what level they want to sign up at, and you just send them to a website and they register, guys. It's just that simple. And I can do it for you. I can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. And like I said, you can do it for the first 2 or 3 weeks, first 2 or 3 months, and I can do it for you until you get comfortable in doing it. There's nothing to it, guys. This program, folks, can help you. You can potentially make over 10 grand a month. It is absolutely possible. Income disclaimer. Let me give an income disclaimer. Nothing happens, folks, in life until you take action. Nothing falls from the sky, but you put forth minimum effort, placing doing the action steps we tell you to take, mailing a few postcards, running a few solo ads, guys. The sky can be the limit. This website, guys, converts like it's nobody's business. This webinar, it does the selling, telling, explaining for us, so we never have to. We're going to walk around. I'm going to show you the back office. I'm going to show you around the website, show you the lead capture page. I'll show you some marketing resources, show you some testimonials, all within 15 minutes. So let's go for the ride real quick, guys. This website, again, will do the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. People will get comfortable. When people come to your site, they're going to go to a lead capture page. They're going to put their name and their email address in, and then they'll get to know you better. This is warming them up to you, introducing the program to them, and they get to know, like, and trust you. And that's what it's all about, guys. People want to know, like, and trust you. All they want to know is that you're going to be there to support them. All they want to know is that you're going to show them how to get started. And basically, folks, you're off to the races. Guys, if you're watching this video and you're on the fence, get off the fence. There is a lot of money that can potentially be made between now and this summer. I mean, we can clean house. And even into the fall of the year. This thing, guys, is just a baby. It is a opportunity like none other to get started, and let's ride the wave, guys. This is exciting. Lead capture page, and we have several lead capture pages. This is not the only one. In our back office here, we've got several lead capture pages, and very powerful lead capture pages, and there are 3 to choose from. Let me go to the marketing resources. Marketing resources right here. Here are the lead capture pages. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lead capture pages, guys, that you can choose from. Basically, you can do text message marketing, you can do solo ads, you can mail postcards. There's no right or wrong way. The main thing you want to do is get people to the lead capture page. Once they go to the lead capture page, it's going to drip email to them for the next 45 days. Every other day, they're going to get an email from you introducing them to the program, plus inviting them to the conference call. Guys, come to the conference call. We have a conference call every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 9 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. on Saturday Eastern time. Now we have a training call at 9 p.m. on Thursday nights. Just want to let you know that. Very, very powerful. You get all your questions answered, and you're off to the races. Again, guys, let's go on down. Let's look at the products here in this program. The process is simple as 1, 2, 3. You watch the video. People watch the video, the 12-minute video up top. They'll choose a package, and then they'll just make the call. That's all you do to get started. If you're looking at the video, you want to get started, watch that video again, choose the package you want to get started, and then to make the call. When you make this call right here, leave a message. We'll call you back and get you started. Period. That's just that simple. Breaking news, guys. Because of the pandemic, our business has doubled, and we're extremely excited about it. With our system, guys, there's no selling. There are no uplines or downlines. There's no products to store in the garage. All these products are downloadable digital products. Downloadable digital products right on the website. You can download and have ready to go. No hidden expenses, no begging family and friends. Folks, this is a done-for-you system. This is not a job. Folks, people are looking for simple, and we got 1, 2, 3 simple today. Very powerful. This program is changing lives, guys. We're working less, we're earning more, becoming debt-free. We're showing people the right way and how to do it. And people are using this money to build legacies, donate to their church, upgrading their lifestyle. So many things you can do with this program. It is possible. It is possible to earn anywhere from 20 to 80 grand or more per month. The more marketing you put out there, the more results you can expect. Here's our compensation plan. We have the 500, the 1500, the 35, 75, and 11,000. Now what we got the fast action takers bonus. If you contact us, one of our success coaches, within 40 hours and you join, you come at the 15, we'll upgrade you to 35. Come at 35, we'll upgrade you to 75. A tremendous value. Now here are the products, guys. We have what we call the bronze product level, silver product level, we have the gold product level, platinum, and we have diamond. Every product level, every level you go higher, the more products that you get. And when you go under the higher levels, you automatically get the lesser level products, guys. So when you get a chance, pause the video, walk around, see what the products are. And again, these are learning products that you can learn to be a better marketer, be a better person. Absolutely great value, guys. When you get a chance, guys, come down here, look at all the testimonials. Are these people giving great testimonials about the program and how powerful this thing is? Here's the levels, guys. You pay the admin fee, send the sponsor your fee, and you're off to the races. Now, guys, let me show, and here's the action takers bonus. Here's one of the resources, guys. This is a tidbit. I am using Udemy solo ads. That's Timothy Thomas. Driving traffic. We can turn traffic on like a water, guys. We can come over here and find solo ad deals. And guys, you can run unlimited, cash buying traffic on a weekly basis. No matter what your budget is, we've got enough traffic to go around. Udemy solo ads, guys, I highly recommend this. And when you talk to me on the phone, I'll tell you some of the ones that I'm using. Great motivated buyers are on some of these lists. So very, very powerful traffic resources here, guys. These folks that are providing traffic for us. Also with Traffic for Me, guys. Traffic for Me, you can order different packages. The packages are absolutely incredible. I got another package going out here pretty soon. And guys, that's how you do it. The more traffic, the more eyeballs, the more you sell and tell, the more you tell, not sell, but the more you tell people, and put it in front of people, guys, it will resonate. The autoresponder will do its job. And folks, you can start having endless commissions of $1,500 per week or more. Absolutely powerful, absolutely possible. I want to welcome our new member, Mark, to the program. Welcome, Mark, to the program. We're glad to have you, and it's very exciting to have you as a part. The program Mark joined and sent us $1,500 right there on the stream. Okay, guys, want to see the last little bit, this upgrader bonus, and then we'll go from there. Well, actually, guys, let's take a look at, instead of upgrader bonus, let's look at a couple of videos, and we'll be off.
Hi everybody, this is Stretton Rutherford from ProsperityPeopleSystems.com. I just wanted to give you my testimonial that this program works. I've been doing big ticket, high ticket programs for over 16 years. Been in Prosperity for a couple of years. The easiest program around. Earned $500, $1,500, $3,500 and more, all the way up to $11,000. It's not a one-up program. And it's unlike any program you've seen. It has full support. Easy to use websites, and a great follow-up system. You get full support from the beginning. This works extremely well. I love this program. I do it all the time. I'm full-time doing this semi-retired, and all I do is email people, answer the callback requests that come on the website, and the system does the rest. So I'm here to tell you right now that Prosperity People Systems is a great program, and it works that well. It's easy. You don't have to mess around with these other little small-time programs. This program is great because you make big profits from the beginning, and you don't have to worry about the smaller programs. If you want to have a smaller one on the side, that's fine, but this one takes care of the bills. You only need a couple sales a month or a couple sales a week, depending on what you need, to make this thing work. Prosperity People Systems is a great program. It's here for the long haul. It's run by a very successful owner. So get it now, Prosperity People Systems. Tell them that Stretton sent you. Earn $500, $1,500, $3,500 this week. We have all the training. We have all sources for advertising. Get involved now. You won't forget it. Prosperity People Systems. Thanks so much. Hope you join. Take care. Talk to you soon.
Okay, guys. Powerful testimony from Strutton Rutherford. Let me get that thing right. But absolutely powerful, guys. This thing is on fire, and we're just at the beginning of something big. Guys, are you going to join us for the ride? Okay, guys, if you're ready to get started, come on down here. Dial this number right here. Leave me a message, and we'll give you a call back. Whoever referred you to the program, guys, if you're on their website, get back with that person that referred you, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now. Until the next video.